Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Tuesday, June 17th. All right, this is for all the newsletter subscribers. We'll have a different newsletter for the members. So there's two videos on here you should be watching. This one and then the one below this one. Just click it, and those are some winners, and they look really nice. So let's take a look at the Dow. It's about 10 minutes till close here, maybe a little bit more. Nope, 10 minutes till close. Looks good. And I want to take a look at the Dow, the SPY, and a couple others. So, as I said yesterday, we're going to ride this 50-day moving average and pop up and see what happens at this trend line here. And if we can't break through this, and we'll know tomorrow at the FOMC meeting, then we're going to head south. So this could be the top, or we could get the breakout again, like we did here. So keep an eye on the Dow here for this measured move to the upside, but we'll have to see what they say tomorrow. Very important. So the SPY was in this consolidation box as I was talking about yesterday, and it's just trending higher, okay, and it really wants this 198 area. It all depends on tomorrow. We know that low volume, as you can see here, nothing spectacular, and we're about to break this consolidation box that it's been doing for 4 days now. And after we break that, we're going to start moving to the upside. We'll get a little bit of resistance right here at 195, and that should put the Dow right at that trend line also. So they're kind of in tango together. So if we get all bad news tomorrow, then we're going to get this gap fill at 190. So keep an eye on that. Okay, so you can play your puts that way, or we're going to 198. So if you want to straddle tomorrow, for Friday, I would do the 198 and 197 area, and I would do the 191. So, or if you want to do that for the week after, but a measured move will be coming after this meeting. So, prep accordingly. The gap fill or the trend line, one or the other, it's going to come in. 50-day moving average, I don't think is going to play too much of a role. I think there's going to be volume, and I think something's going to happen here, whether we break to the upside or break to the downside. But for me right now, charts are saying to the upside. Relative strength index is at 72. That's my only concern. So if they take this higher pre-announcement tomorrow from the FOMC meeting, I would say we are going to go lower. But we'll have to watch what they do tomorrow. They could take it up to this double top right here, have bad news, and then rip it down to the downside. So play both sides or don't. So let's take a look at which one am I going to look at today? All right, let's look at PCLN because we spoke about that one yesterday. I said what I thought it was going to do. And, we have the trend line in place. It pulled down below the 50-day moving average, hit the trend line, and then came back up again. So this was pretty much your entry. And they protected this 50-day moving average, okay? And I really think that we're going to head up to the upside. That's just the way I feel. They are collecting all the stock they can right now for this move. So if you have stops in place, they're trying to grab those stops. And after they get those stops, and they're fully loaded, so will PCLN. That'll pay for your membership, folks. It sure will. So keep an eye on it. If you're playing the options on it or the stock, enjoy because it could be very lucrative. All right, next one we're going to look at, and the last one is going to be WFC. WFC, we love this one. It's just been doing so well. Tracking to the upside, came in 50-day moving average is support right now. Again, tomorrow everything's going to depend tomorrow on the FOMC meeting on how things are going to move. But with this double bottom in place, 50-day moving average acting as support, there is no reason we can't come up and hit this 52.62 and start making new highs. But we'll know tomorrow. Again, nice turn up here after a little bit of consolidation, so we'll have to see what happens. Okay, we have an amazing video, just like always, for the members. We have almost 12 stocks on there that are ready for serious breakout. So if you're not a member, join. It's $119 a month, basically, and that's with live chat and everything else. You can't beat it. You'll learn a lot and make a lot of money, and making a lot of money is the key to our success. Just take a look at CONN. All right, actually, you know what? Let's look at UA real quick because we did that one also. All right, UA, I told you yesterday, 50-day moving average, we're going to come up. This will be real quick here. 83 is our target still for that one. If you're playing the options on this one, you're doing really well. We caught this one over here at the 50-day move, middle Bollinger Band break, and we've been riding it ever since, and we do have plans to ride it all the way up here and then all the way up here to 100. And we're not there, but we have moved so far. Let's get rid of that. So far our measured move has been, right around $13, and so our after some consolidation, we're going to get another measure move of $22 to $25, depending on where it consolidates. But we haven't had that big volume candle yet, so I think we're going to steady climb. All right, now this is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we will see you as a member tomorrow live in the chat room. Have a great night.